Welcome back to the IBIS Deep Dive series. In this episode, we're focusing on datasets, the heart of IBIS. A dataset is a table of data pulled from a source and materialized into the analytics store, ready to chart. Let's sign in and open the datasets page. Here are the datasets we've already built, from ERPNext Doctypes, reports, SQL queries, and more. The list is sorted newest first, so anything we create lands right at the top, and we can search it by name the moment it grows. To add a new one, we click New Source. IBIS can pull from 7 kinds of source, grouped into 3 families, straight from your ERPNext site, from files and sheets, and from databases or by joining datasets together. Let's walk through each one. First, a Doctype extract, the most common source. We pick our ERPNext connection, then choose a Doctype. Let's grab delivery notes. IBIS reads the Doctype schema and lets us select exactly which fields to bring across. No need to pull everything. We'll keep the defaults, give it a name, and create. IBIS syncs the rows into the store immediately, and because the list is newest first, our new dataset is right at the top. Let's preview it to see the live rows we just pulled. Next, a query report. This runs a native Frappe report on the server and captures its output. Let's pick the balance sheet. Notice IBIS automatically reads the report's filters and pre-fills the mandatory ones, each with the right control, a searchable picker for links like company and fiscal year, and drop-downs for choices like periodicity. We set the company and the years, name it, and run. The report executes on ERPNext and lands as a dataset. Not all data lives in ERPNext. We can upload a CSV straight from our machine. IBIS detects the column types automatically and materializes it, so a spreadsheet becomes a chartable dataset in seconds. We can also pull from a URL, any public CSV, Parquet, or JSON file. IBIS downloads it now and refetches it on every sync, so the dataset stays fresh. Here's a public exports dataset loaded straight from the web. Google Sheets works the same way. Share a sheet, as anyone with a link, paste the URL, and IBIS reads the tab you point to as CSV. Perfect for budgets or trackers your team maintains by hand. It refreshes on every sync. For data in your own databases, the SQL database source runs a read-only query against a saved Postgres or MySQL connection. You'd add that connection on the connections page first, then write your query here, and IBIS materializes the result. And you don't have to stop at one source. Join datasets links 2 datasets on a common key, a star schema, right in the UI. Here we join our invoices to our customers, producing a single combined dataset you can chart like any other. Every dataset can be previewed in place. A quick look at the materialized rows and columns, exactly as they'll feed your charts. And each dataset has deep settings. Schedule autosync and turn on incremental mode to pull only what changed. Add server-side filters, calculated fields, and reusable metrics. Lock things down with row-level security and column masking. Pre-aggregate with rollups for speed, and review the full sync history. This is what turns raw data into a governed, production-ready model. That's Datasets, 7 ways to bring data in, from ERPNext Doctypes and reports to files, sheets, databases, and joins, each one scheduled, secured, and ready to chart. In the next episode, we'll turn these datasets into charts. Thanks for watching.